Hi, and welcome to this quick tutorial on getting started with Storemapper on Bigcommerce. After you've walked through the quick tutorial, the first thing you want to do is grab your embed code. Embed code, click to highlight, and then click Control-C to copy it, or Apple-C on the Mac. Next, close Storemapper, and let's create a page for your store locator. Head to Web Pages, create a web page, and name it whatever you like. I'll choose Store Locator. Next, in the page content, make sure to click HTML. Then paste in your embed code, update, and Storemapper is installed on your page. Your store locator will render on the page automatically from the embed code. The next step is to add some stores to your store locator database. You have two main ways. You can add stores individually, like I'm doing right now. I'll create a test store. And save the changes. These stores will be added to your store locator automatically. There's no need to re-embed the code. And there's our test store. The second option is to use our bulk upload feature. There's a separate video and a separate blog post detailing how to use it. Also, be sure to check your settings page to take full advantage of Storemapper's built-in customization options. Thanks!